Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dear class 6 students. So now after a long span of time, I will give you here a new topic regarding the plant life. That's for the 6th class, 6th biology. And in this we will discuss about a new topic, that is variation regarding the plant life. So first of all, we will discuss here our topic, that is what is variation. If we talk of the variation is the arrangement of veins and veinlets. So arrangement of veins and veinlets in a leaf. तो लीफ तो हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया है कि लीफ जो होता है, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ इट इज़ द लीफ हेयर एंड दिस leaf contains here, this is the petiole and this is the leaf base which will attach. So this leaf base is the swollen portion of this petiole. It will attach this leaf to the stem of the plant, and when once this petiole enters into the leaf, it forms here the leaf blade. This petiole enters into the leaf blade and it forms here the midrib. Midrib, and this midrib gives rise here smaller branches. It will give rise here smaller branches, and these branches are called as veins, and these veins also give rise the even more smaller branches, and those are called as veinlets. Now what is now variation? Variation means arrangement of these veins and veinlets in a leaf lamina. तो क्या अरेंजमेंट है इन वेन्स और वेनलेट्स का इन ए लीफ, दैट्स कॉल्ड एज वेनिएशन. और अगर हम देखेंगे ये वेनिएशन जो है, इट इज़ ऑफ टू टाइप्स. वेनिएशन दो टाइप्स की हो सकती है. वन दैट्स कॉल्ड एज हियर पैरेलल वेनिएशन एंड अनदर वन दैट्स कॉल्ड एज रेटिकुलेट वेनिएशन. अगर हम पैरेलल वेनिएशन की बात करेंगे तो parallel variation is that type of variation in which veins runs parallel in a leaf blade. तो parallel variation जो होती है, एक ऐसी variation होती है जिनमें veins जो है वो run parallel होंगे to each other. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं यहाँ पे बताऊँगा कि अगर ये हमारे पास कोई लीफ है, if it is the leaf here, so this leaf contains here the main branch, and this main branch which is formed from the petiole, this is called as midrib. And when different veins are arranged in a parallel manner, just like this, that type of leaf in which veins are arranged parallel to each other, so these are the veins which are parallel to each other, and this type of variation is called as here parallel variation. So this is called as parallel variation. तो पैरेलल वेनिएशन में क्या होता है, जो भी वेन्स होते हैं, दीज वेन्स आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज हियर पैरेलल वेनिएशन. इसी तरीके से अगर हम बाद में बात करेंगे व्हाट इज नाउ रेटिकुलेट वेनिएशन, तो रेटिकुलेट वेनिएशन में क्या होता है, ये जो वेन्स होते हैं, दीज फॉर्म हियर ए नेट लाइक, दीज आर अरेंज इन ए नेट लाइक मैनर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ दिस इज द मिडरिब एंड दिस मिडरिब कंटेन्स हियर द वेन्स, and these veins give rise the more branches, and those are called as veinlets, and these veinlets are arranged in such a way that they will form here a network like manner, just like this. This is the network like manner and this network like manner will form here the reticulate. This is the reticulate variation, and here is the variation. That variation is called as parallel variation. दिस इज द पैरेलल वेनिएशन. तो हमारा जो टॉपिक था दैट इज वेनिएशन. सो व्हाट इज नाउ वेनिएशन? अरेंजमेंट ऑफ वेन्स एंड वेनलेट्स इन अ लीफ. असल में अगर हम देखेंगे ये वेन्स और वेनलेट्स कहाँ पे होते हैं, ये प्रेजेंट होते हैं लीफ लैमिना और लीफ ब्लेड में, या लीफ लैमिना और लीफ ब्लेड, और दैट्स आल्सो कॉल्ड एज एपिपोडियम. तो उसके बाद हमने क्या कहा कि ये जो अरेंजमेंट होता है वेन्स और वेनलेट्स का, इट इज़ डिफरेंट इन डिफरेंट लीव्स. नाउ अगर हम देखेंगे तो depending upon the arrangement of veins and veinlets, two types of variation are to be present there. So first one is parallel variation and second one is reticulate variation. So in parallel veniation, the veins and veinlets are parallel to each other, while as in reticulate veniation, so veins and veinlets arrange to form a network like structure here. So this is the network like manner in which veins are arranged, and that type of veniation is called as here reticulate veniation. So this is regarding the veniation, and in the next video we will discuss about the types of leaves.